Good morning, everyone. The RedEye is ready for Fontana. Heading out tomorrow morning. Driving down from Las Vegas. This is also my fiance's car. It's a 1050 Hellcat, but she'll probably go a little bit faster. I got a little surprise yesterday. A JBA midpipe, catless midpipe came in. I'm gonna be installing this next week. Doing a Q16 tune possibly, and getting some bigger dyno numbers. Also testing tuning the car after. Please subscribe to my channel so you can be updated with all my racing for this coming weekend. I'm also going to be at Springfest, so I'm going to have a lot of racing going on in the next month or so. So subscribe, and if anyone's at Fontana, come by.